Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a small haul from while I was out of town. A Tuesday morning, they really didn't have a big selection this time, but I thought I'd check them out just to get a couple things. So I got these white letters from my letter board, and of course they're $2.99, 206-7602. You can of course check that number, type the number in the product hotline and your zip code, and they'll let you know if it's in your area. So these were not the like a medium size compared to the real small ones. Then this the next size, and have those 2 inches. I picked up these mini clothespins for $1.49, 207-6286. I thought they went perfect with this Chanel box of colors paper pad, and I'm sure you've seen this. And I'm so mad because they had all the little individual packs, and I should have got them previously. 2088739, and then I got these little adhesive patches to go along with it. 2079188. These doilies for $1.99. 1962789. It says 12, 6, and 6. I only found one set of cutter bee dies. It's a 47-piece number set. 2068958 for $4.99. They're nice sizes. So you got 2 different size fonts for your numbers, and then all of your extra symbols that are typically associated with numbers, such as a $, hashtag, exclamation point, ampersand, your @ So they got, quite a few. So that was nice to have 2 different fonts. This was on. Okay, I don't know why this was in here because I already own this. So why did I pick this up? I'm trying to think if I picked this up or was this with another set. I don't know. But anyways, 2069073 if you haven't seen that. I don't think I just picked it up. These were the embossing folders. And so it's 4 different ones. They were all $2.19. 3 in each. So this one is an ornate pattern, and it's 2069095. Yes, they all have different numbers. So you can see those 3 right there. Great for using them on the back of the flaps of envelopes, cards, scrapbook layouts, anything that you want to get textures, ATCs, iCads, you can, your memory decks, you can use them on anything. 2069093. Anytime you want to add texture. These kind of put me like in a festive mood. Any kind of celebratory event, you could use some of those. It doesn't have to be, but I'm just saying that's what that makes me think of. And this one is 2069097. Got your honeybee, you got your stripes. You can use them in the center of the page. Of course, this width is only about 6 inches, so you would only be able to go 6 inches. Well, I think they're going to 12 inch, you go 6 in, then flip it around the other way and clamp it that way, and then roll it through. You can get a 12 ounce. I think I mean steak. A 12 inch. And then this one is Chevron Geo 2069092. And sorry for any glare, they're still in the package. I don't think I said the name of these. And this one was Trend Pattern, and this one was heart stripe. That's weird. Hearts star stripes. I'm sorry. It was on the bottom. Trend Patterns, Chevron Geo dot, and this one is Ornate Patterns. This was on clearance, 60% off. What additional 25% off, and it's just the word that says now. And I have the other ones in this series to go along with it is 1861738. So when I was there for the 4 days, well, this 4 days now, they actually have 25% off the additional clearance, whatever the sticker is. This one is the Twinkle Glitz. This has been in and out before. Very pretty. you probably can't see because of the lighting. My blinds are open, but it is shimmery, metallic. So you can see that, yeah. So that one was $2.99, of course. 2088753. And then I got this Mega Homes Willow Lane 25 pack with the sparrows on it and that on the back. And my crate paper is 2079211, and of course the 25 packs are typically $2.99. And you know, I have a lot of my home papers. I thought it'd just be some extra filler, or I can fussy cut something out. And then last but not least, I haven't worn this for over a year because it was last February 2018. Even it's the same store I visited. It's been in that store since last year, but I didn't want to pay $20. But it's a steel rule down, so you can cut out various textures. So you don't just have to cut out paper. You can cut this out of felt and chipboard and fabrics, all kinds of stuff. Matte board, grunge board. Anyway, it measures 4 1/8 by 3 1/4 by 4 1/8. And it's a diamond. And of course, you know, that's my daughter's name, so I already liked it. But I was waiting for it to go on sale, and I knew it was. So it was on sale with the extra 25% off the sale price. So then I got it. And plus, not only am I going to use it for my daughter, if I want to send her something, or a table scatter or whatever. One of my girlfriends, my scrapbooking girlfriends, she's getting married in May. And so me and my other scrapbooking girls, we're doing her, so all those girlfriends are getting together, and we're putting her stuff on for her bridal shower in March. And so I'm going to make some diamonds because I came with, well, she loves pearls. So I said, why not do diamonds since the wedding's going to be about pearls? We're going to do the bridal shower with diamond theme. So I said, hey, this 2 birds with 1 stone. So that was my justification for getting that. So I will make some of these for table scatter. All right, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.